hydrated. We did the mango ice cream last time. I hope you like that. And today I'm going to make a raw mango salad. Yeah, for those of you who think raw mango is too sour, I'm doing an Asian style raw mango, veggies and noodle salad. And I'll do another version with veggies, raw mango and quinoa. So very interesting Asian flavors, absolutely fresh. Let's get cooking. We've got some raw mango, some assorted veggies, all cut lengthwise in matchsticks. Vermicelli noodles or rice noodles. These are really thin and very light. You can get them in most stores. Fresh herbs, fresh mint, some fresh coriander. And I'm going to do it two ways. So I also have some mixed quinoa. It's a blend of black, red and white quinoa. Or you could just use any quinoa. I get my quinoa from Happy Healthy Me. For the dressing, we need some honey, some green chilies, soy sauce, light soy sauce, and lime. Carrots, half a cup of carrots, half a cup of red cabbage. Look at those gorgeous colors. You can use whatever you have lying in the fridge, but do try and make it nice and colorful. Some cucumber, raw mango. There's a nice blend of tart, savory, neutral flavors, lots of crunch. I do keep my veggies in the fridge once they are chopped. That makes them nice and crunchy. Some mint leaves, just tear them with your hand. Some coriander, so it's a nice blend of coriander and mint. So here's the salad mix. Nice rainbow veggies, mint and coriander, lovely fresh flavors. Now for me, a salad is not only just about vegetables. You need to add a carbohydrate, you need to add a protein. I'll add some peanuts in the end for protein. You could add some tofu or some chicken. But more important is the carbs, because that's where you get energy from. So I've got some quinoa. It's a mix of black, white and red quinoa from Happy Healthy Me. It's a lovely organic brand that I use for all my products. And in goes the quinoa in the bowl. You could use just one type of quinoa as well, or millet. Look at those gorgeous colors. I love the way the black contrasts the veggies. That's the quinoa version. Here's another version, the same veggies, same herbs. I've got some rice noodles. It's nice Asian light noodles, and in it goes into the bowl. Light soya sauce, a bit of sweet with some honey or jaggery, 2 tablespoons of honey. You could use coconut sugar or brown sugar. Time for some heat. I've got some green chilies without the seeds and finely chopped. They add a lot of flavor. And finally, some acid from the lime, fresh limes. So any salad dressing, once you balance out these 4 components, it's going to be delicious. In goes your dressing. Give it a nice toss. It's nice and crunchy. Taste for flavor, and finally a sprinkling of peanuts. So the salads are both ready. I've got noodle salad and the quinoa salad. You could refrigerate it at this point and serve it, or you could also pour the dressing just before serving. Either way, it works really well. And time to plate up. I do recommend some good crockery. I just have some nice solid dark color plates over here. And let's get going. Just some fresh herbs here and there are always a good thing. You could also use microgreens if you have some lying around. Some black sesame for a bit of drama. Salad on the plate, and we need some extra color and just some freshness on top. Some green leaves. I might add some red cabbage here and there. And finally, some sesame seeds and some nuts. Just give it a toss. Salads are done. How quick and easy was that? It really isn't difficult making some good food. Time to taste. Now what I want to tell you about tasting is that a good chef just cooks as per their own taste. The salt or the sugar or the honey that I use will be different from the salt or sugar or honey that you use. So you might like some more spicy flavors as well. So yeah, just enjoy cooking and just cook as per your own taste. Recipes are there just as guidelines. This is fun. It's great. I might add some chili on top, some red chili flakes if you want. Otherwise it's lovely. And I also have the quinoa version. Let's give that a taste. Yeah, it's really good. The graininess of the quinoa, and the crunch of the veggies. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you eat healthy and fresh this summer. Do tune in to my channel, do subscribe and like the videos, and you can find me on Instagram at Cucina Mia by Natasha, also my website. Until next time, happy cooking.